Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to reset Facebook default settings. So if you want to reset the Facebook default settings, you could follow this simple steps. Now, when you launch open the Facebook application and go to the settings from the menu bar in the top right corner of your screen, the reset Facebook settings, you can see no such option as there. So the reset Facebook settings, you can log out of the app and then uninstall and reinstall it, and to revert it to a default state on your device. That can be helpful. However, what you need to do is to log out. You could simply exit out of this page and go to the menu bar, scroll down right to the bottom. There you have the logout button, and at the same time what you could also do is exit, long press the app, go to the app info section, make sure to click on clear storage or maybe clear cache, and then uninstall. Once again reinstall it, at the same time reset your device, and that is gonna basically get you back the reset, or that's gonna help you out to get the reset Facebook default settings. So this way is an alternative, but you could give it a try in order to fix your issue. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.